Kevin, tell us, first of all, how does this new plan compare to President Obama's clean energy plan?
It's a complete walkback of the Obama-era regulations. In fact, let's pull up exactly what President Trump's and the administration's proposals would do. First and foremost, it's going to replace the Obama-era Clean Power Plan and weaken pollution limits on coal-fired power plants by setting guidelines based on facility efficiency improvements. It's also going to really embolden the state, Sherry, to decide exactly how they want to restrict the CO2 emission standards. Now, already we're seeing pushback. This could potentially lead to some type of legal argument. But Republicans like this. A lot of Republicans like this, particularly in the energy sector, in the coal sector. President Trump campaigning in West Virginia later today. The Chamber of Commerce likes it. They say in a statement, quote, that today's announcement is an important step toward a more collaborative process that fits within EPA's statutory authority. They go on to write, quote, this revised approach will help continue the trend of lower electric power sector emissions while preserving America's energy edge and respecting environmental law. Now, Democrats, of course, disagree with that. Senator Kamala Harris, a Democrat from California, potential 2020 presidential candidate, tweeted out earlier, quote, this decision is a recipe for disaster.
So, Kevin, this is a little bit in the abstract, isn't it? As you say, this is a proposal. This isn't effective. They're going to have to propose it. They have to take comments on it. They have to actually enact it. And by the way, in the meantime, the Obama rules stay in power. I mean, what are going to be the rules that power plants are abiding by?
I put those questions to some sources in the energy sector earlier today, David, on 2 points. First and foremost, you're absolutely right. This is going to kickstart a 60-day comment period. And the second point is that from the administration standpoint, they're hoping this will signal to the energy that it's part of a broader deregulatory push on a host of different plans, whether it's the energy sector, the economic sector, financial services, and yes, even trade.